Hello and welcome to Vadodara Toastmasters Club. By becoming a member, you have taken the right decision to improve yourself as a better public speaker and better human being. My name is Krunal Brahmbhatt and I am a part of Toastmasters fraternity for more than 4 years now. And in this video, I will take you through the login process of Toastmasters, because I am sure with being a new member, you have many questions about pathways and about how to select the path and how to access the tutorial. So let's begin. So as you can see on my screen, you will have to first click on the Chrome icon, and once you click on the Chrome icon, you will have to go to toastmasters.org. that is the website name for Toastmasters. Once you click on toastmasters.org, you will see this screen. Now you will have to go straight to the login page. If you don't have login credentials, I request you to please get in touch with your VP membership or VP education. They will help you with your login credentials. Once you click here, you will get this screen. I am currently using my credentials so that I can guide you further about the login process. Okay. So after clicking with your credentials, you will see similar type of screen. Now here you have about pathways, education, membership, leadership, central resources, magazine, events, and shop. You will get amazing literature about leadership and communication in this resource. So my sincere request and suggestion to you is, whenever you have time, just browse through this resource. It is an ocean of information and you will not find such vital information anywhere else. Now coming back to the subject, you will have to select pathways. So once you select the pathways, this down arrow will come. You will have to go to choose the path if you are first time login. Now when you go to choose the path, the first path is free. You can continue here with the selection of path, and after that you will have to pay for $20 for each path. So I am not going into the deep of selection of the path. Let me just quickly give you the glimpse of the paths which are available before we go to the base camp. So I will just open this document. Toastmasters basically help you to improve your 5 core competencies, that is public speaking, international communication, strategic relationship, management, and confidence. Now, to develop these 5 core competencies, you have 11 paths which are defined by Toastmaster. Now, if you take any of the path, you will see the numbers associated with it. For example, you want to improve your public speaking, and so that you will have to see for the number 1. Obviously, number 1 at every path it is available. Let us take management. Now, if you want to improve your management, so number 4 is in team collaboration and also in leadership development and innovative planning and effective coaching. So you can select any of these paths if you want to improve your management skills. So similarly, my battery is running low, so give me a second. I'll have to plug in the charging device, but anyhow I think I can manage. Now to select the path, I'm going back to my base camp. There is a automated exam is also available where you will be asked a couple of questions, and based on the answers they will guide you, the system will guide you that which path is suitable to you. Now let us go to the base camp. Once I click on the base camp, it will show my path, that which path I am pursuing and how much I have progressed. Okay, so I am clicking on the pathways and paths and learning. So it will open that I am currently pursuing the persuasive influence Now I have to open the curriculum. If I open the curriculum, it will show me that I have completed 17% of the path. It means I have completed my level 1, and right now I am at level 2. You can see that all the tick mark here on icebreaker, speech evaluation, feedback and resource presenting. For every path there is a tutorial inside the path. Now if I click on the icebreaker, as a new member you will have to follow the system and complete the tutorial first. So to access the tutorial you will have to click on the launch. Once you launch, the new screen will pop up. Okay, so once you click on the launch, you will see this tutorial, because right now it is at the end of the tutorial because I have already completed this. But let me just go to the beginning. Yeah, so this is the beginning. So you will have to answer all these questions. This is about before presenting the project, how is your confidence level, and you will be also asked the same question at the end of the tutorial. So system can guide you that initially it was 2 and now it is 4 or 5, like that. So go through this complete tutorial. There are video tutorial as well. It will help you to design your icebreaker speech. So I'm not going into that because otherwise the length of this video will become very lengthy. Now I'll just show you one more important thing, that is about evaluation sheet. Okay, now for every speech you deliver there has to be evaluation also, right? And to evaluate you will have to download the evaluation sheet and you will have to submit the same sheet to your evaluator. And here, by clicking here, you will be able to download your evaluation sheet. You can write your name, your date by which you are giving the speech, evaluator's name and your speech title. In this form also you will see the crisp requirement of your speech, or based on which it will be evaluated. So it is always essential and advisable not to deviate from the project requirement. No matter you have a great speech about for example, the recent incident happened in your life, but if your speech requirement is to deliver the speech based on the research, then it is advisable that either you connect that incident with some research or you keep that speech at a later stage, and currently you should develop the speech which is based on the research. Perfect. So let me close this. And once you download these resources, evaluation sheet, you will have to give it to your evaluator, and once you get the feedback from the evaluator you can upload the same in the website as well. And okay, so that's all from my side. I think the system is quite similar for all the processes and all the paths. You will have to go to the toastmasters.org, then go to pathways, then go to Basecamp and access your path, and then click on that particular level and then go through the tutorial, download the evaluation sheet and submit to the evaluator. Every path, every level, the system remains same. So follow the system and I am sure you will become a better public speaker and better leader going forward. If at all you have any questions, please contact your XCOM members or any of the senior members. They will be able to guide you. Thank you. This is Krunal Brahmbhatt signing off until we meet again. Bye-bye.